Good morning, student. Again, question number 17 of exercise 3.1. This is a 3 by 3 matrix. 3 by 3 square matrix. And so find inverse of the matrix A if A equal to 2 0 minus 1 5 1 0 and 0 1 3. Okay, and find A inverse by elementary mathematics, elementary matrix method. Okay, elementary inverse of matrix. Okay, so find you formula A equal to IA. Yes, A 2 0 minus 1 5 1 0 and 0 1 3. This equal to identity 1 0 0 3 by 3 might 3 by 3 identity. Okay, this is a 1 A. Use that use top to bottom. Okay, and this second column is also top to bottom, and third last bottom to top, this side moving element by element, one by one element change in identity matrix, identity element 1 0 0. Okay, so 1 0 and 0. The first column using by row method, by row method, use row method, so change column. Okay, so first column already changed, the first use first row, so change a first element and 5 and this, so move top to bottom. Okay, so next 2 change to 1, so already 2 divided by this r1 tends to r1 by 2 here. So 2 1, this 0 divided by 2 1 0 and minus 1 upon 2, and 5 1 and 0 0 1 and 3 are same. This equal to this side chain divide by 2 in 1, so 1 upon 2 0 0 and 0 1 0 0 0 1, this A. Okay, next condition r2 change to r2, r2 tends to r2 minus 5 r1, right? Multiply by 5 in r1 and subtract r2 minus r1 is also 0. This is 0, this 0. Okay, so this 1 0 1 upon 2 is fixed. Okay, 5 minus 1 5, so 5 0 1 minus 0 this 1, 0 minus 5 by 2 plus 5 by 2. Okay, minus minus plus 5 by 2, clear? And 0 1 3 are same. This equal to already changed, this tends to 1 upon 2 6 0 and 0 and minus 0 minus 1 by 2 into 5 by 2, so minus 5 by 2 and 1 0 and 0 0 1. Okay, that is it. And change this r3 is already given, this is also 0 0 and 0 and this 1 is this already changed, yani second row only last term in 0 make to 0, so r3 equal to r3 minus r2. Okay, so this 1 0 1 upon 2, this 1 upon 2, this is a minus 1 upon 2 na? Right, 1 up minus 1 upon 2 and 0 1 and 5 by 2 same, and change to this 0 minus 0 0 1 minus 1 0 3 minus 5 by 2 3 2 is 6 1 upon 2. Okay, and the next right side change same 1 upon 2 0 0 and this minus 5 by 2 1 0 fixed, 0 minus this, so 5 by 2 0 minus 1 minus 1 1 minus 0 1, it's okay. And next r3, this r3 subtract, this is also this side direction, the 1 by 2 change to 1, so 1 multiply by 2 in R3, sorry, multiply by 2, this also change to 1, R2, 2R3, 2R3, this 1 0 minus 1 by 2, 0 1 5 by 2, and this 0 0 0 0 1 by 2 into 1. Okay, this already changed, 1 by 2 0 0 minus 5 by 2 1 0 5 by 2 5 and minus 2 and 2. This is it. Okay. Next part, R already changed this basics of this 1 0 minus 1 by 2 0 1 5 by 2 0 0 1, and this 1 by 2 minus 5 by 2 5 minus 2 2 1 0, and this 0 0 is A. Okay, right, change. And next R2, thanks to R2 change to 0, so R2 minus 5 by 2 R3. Okay, so this 1 0 minus 1 by 2 and 0 1, this is also 0. Okay, or 0 0 1 is right, and this side change 1 by 2 0 and 0, and minus 5 by 2 5 minus 5 by 2 45 minus 5 into 5 by 2, so 25, or this minus R3, sorry, this R3, so this also minus 30 by 2 15 minus 15. Okay, this minus 2 into 5 by 2 2 cancel, so 2 minus this, okay, 1 minus 2 5 by 2 5 minus 5 6, and this already 2 5 by 2 5 0 minus 5 5 minus 5, this 5 minus 2 and 2, this is A. And change to R1, this is change to 0, no? The 1 by 2 R1 plus 1 by 2 R3, this multiply 1 by 2 with 1 by 2, same opposite sign, so change 1 0 0 0 1 0 or 0 0 1. Okay, and this 1 by 2 and 5 to the, yes, 1 by 2 and 5 by 5 into 1 by 2, the 5 by 2, so 5 by 2 add 1 by 2, 6 by 2 means 3. Okay, this 3 minus 2 into 1 by 2 minus 1 into 1 minus 1, and 2 1 by 2 1 plus 0 1 minus 15 6 minus 5 5 minus 2 and 2, this is A. This is also I. 3 minus 1 1 minus 15 6 and minus 5 5 minus 2 2, A. This stands for A inverse equal to 3 minus 1 1 minus 15 6 minus 5 5 minus 2 and 2. That's your answer. Okay, this type of exercise. And homework question number 2, 9 10 15 and 16 also clear, and this only this question 5 questions solved by extra. This is a 3 by 3 matrix, and first in first video is already given to 2 by 2 matrix, and miscellaneous exercise, miscellaneous all mix on all other all exercise. Already make a video, this video already make in a P6, sorry, P6, but voice is not given, so already make a video, you can see both video. Okay, so already explain this point already here. Okay, and uh, this miscellaneous. Okay, miscellaneous. Important example 4 5. Important example 4 5 8 10 15 18 21 and 23 26 and 28. Already clear? And question number 1 of miscellaneous exercise. Let a equal to 0 1 0 0. Okay, so this question solve 1 to 5. Question number 1 to 5 solved by the PMI. PMI, you know PMI, principle of mathematical induction in 11th class. You already studied, right? AI plus BA. This type question solved by PMI, principle of mathematical induction. AI plus BA raised to n. This AN AI plus n A raised to n minus 1 BA. First PMI, first rule, this P of 1, n equal to 1 is true, then n equal to k is also true. So first verify a P of n such that AI, BA, first our AI plus B, this equal to AI plus B in first number, and n equal to k is also, P of k is also true. This okay change, and equation number 2 and equation number 1. If is k plus 1 equal to n is true, so verify P of k plus 1 such that this change to power n raised to n k plus 1. Okay, taking LHS, this value equal to this. Okay, so let LHS value, the AI plus BA raised to k plus 1, k plus 1, and factor product rule, this same product, this power are added, है ना, same variable, product of same variable power are added, addition method. This already clear. This k form, k from 2 and 1, this y 1 and 2, putting this value. Okay, a raised to k वाली value क्या है 2, this a putting, and product of this, and last after a raised to k plus 1 I plus k plus 1 this, and plus k a raised to k minus 1 b square a square, b square a square. Okay, so a square, this term is 0. Why? This if a equal to, given a equal to 0 1 0 0, so a square equal to 0 0, then putting this value is also 0, this value 0, so this are equal to a raised to k plus 1 I plus k plus 1 a raised to k b a, that is 0. So this is true for all k plus 1. If n for every n means all natural number, by the principle of mathematical induction means PMI given condition is true for all n. Clear? And same this type question 2, question 3, question 4 are same this type question. Okay, so and question number 2, take question number 2, a equal to 1 1 1 1 1 1, and a raised to n equal to 3 raised to n minus 1, 3 n minus 1 n minus 1, this is also given in a question. Okay, by PMI first condition P of 1 n equal to 1, and putting n equal to 1, this is also 1, and x raised to 0 equal to 1, right, n equal to 1 is true. The same n equal to k is also true, P of k, this are already 3 raised to k minus 1 k minus n change to k. Okay, n equal to k plus 1 is true, so that a raised to k plus 1 and 3 raised to k plus 1 minus 1, this is also k, 3 same, all elements are same. Okay, clear? These are all same. And LHS, let a raised to k plus 1 and xx, question number 1 type a raised to k into a. Okay, so putting the value a raised to k and a from equation number 1 and equation number 2, so this putting. Okay, and product of this, product first row first column, first row second column, first row third column, same second row first and second and third row first row second column and third one. Okay, third row first column, second column and third column, this is also. So this same value 3 raised to k minus 1, 3 raised to k minus 1, 3 raised to, same, all element are same, this same, this is also same, this coming. So already done 2 3 3 dot 3 raised to k minus 1, same. Okay, so power are added, so 3 raised to k minus 1 plus 1, 3 raised to k, 3 raised to k are also true for n equal to k plus 1. Okay, for n belongs to n, right? This is also true by the PMI, right? PMI, principle of mathematics, for n is true. Clear? And next question, question number 4. Question number 4. Tough question or solve here. Okay, अब बाकी other question simple you can solve. A and B are symmetric matrix already given in the question number 4. A and B symmetric matrix. Prove that AB minus BA is a symmetric, skew symmetric, right? So A is skew symmetric, but A is A and B क्या symmetric. तो A transpose of A equal to A and B transpose equal to B is also symmetric. तो B equal to transpose equal to B. So take transpose of matrix AB minus BA. AB transpose of this rule according to this rule. AB transpose equal to A transpose minus B transpose. This already product rule. The change to B transpose A transpose minus A transpose B transpose by this rule. Okay, and A transpose equal to A by 1. This is by 1. B and this always change. So minus common. So AB minus BA, AB minus BA, AB minus BA transpose equal to minus AB minus BA, which is also symmetric. Clear? This already can. So transpose of A equal to minus A equal to skew symmetric matrix. So this is a skew symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric matrix. Proved. And question number 5 is also same this time. And question number 11. Let x be the 2 by 2 matrix and find the value of x. Also, so x is a matrix, so let 2 by 2 matrix. This is 2 3 1 2 2 row or 3 column. So 2 value smallest value. This is also 3 by 2 by 3. So this is a 2 by 2 matrix of x. A B C D let, or you can x y z w you can let. Okay, so and product this very simple, and product of this last 3.2 exercise type, addition, subtraction, multiplication type question. No? So this multiply is also comparing on both sides. A plus B this, 2A plus 5B equal to minus A, or 3A plus 6B equal to minus 9, C plus 4D equal to 2, 2C plus 5D equal to 4, or 3C plus 6D equal to 6, and solve by linear equation of 2 variable. Okay, this solve to B equal to minus 2, A equal to minus 1, is putting value B equal to this, and C and D also find C D. So C D equal to 0 and C D equal to 0 and C equal to 2. Okay, this type solve. And question number 12 by PMI solution. Okay, last question. So already AB and second 2 parts also given. The first proof AB raised to n equal to B raised to n into A, and second part AB raised to n equal to A raised to n and B raised to this proof n belongs to n is natural number. Okay, so first proof this by PMI. N equal to 1 if true. So n equal to P of 1, this is also 1, and this P of k is also same 2, and n equal to k plus 1. Okay, P of k plus 1 equal to A B raised to k plus 1, or B equal to B raised to k plus 1, they say, and take LHS value. This A, this and this already factor A B raised to k into B, and minus AB minus AB. This is this one side of this A raised to AB raised to k, B raised to k equal to by 2, AB raised to k equal to B raised to ka, B raised to ka into B. Okay, so this k B A B, this B raised to k, the B and B raised to k, B raised to k plus 1, B raised to k plus 1 is k plus 1 is also true. Okay, for all natural number. Next second part, second the P of 1 A B raised to n, this is 1 2, and P of k, that is n equal to k, is also true. The second equation, and this putting this value A B raised to k plus 1, A raised to k1 plus 1, or B raised to k plus 1, right? A raised to k plus 1 or B raised to k plus 1, right? Next, A B raised to k plus 1. This is a very simple. So A B raised to k into A B raised to 1. Okay, so A B raised to the power of A a b raised to k equal to given the a raised to k b raised to k by 2 and 1. 1 raised to a b raised to ab. Okay, so then a raised to k into a raised to 1, so a raised to k plus 1. Same b raised to k into b raised to 1, so b raised to k plus 1. A raised to k plus 1 and b raised to k plus 1 is true for all n when n equal to k plus 1. Okay, by PMI principal mathematics, n equal to k plus 1 is true for all n, that is n belongs to n, right? Okay, clear? And homework question number 3, 5, 6 and 7. Okay, 7, 8, 9 and 10 in miscellaneous exercise. You can solve miscellaneous exercise 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, already solved. Tough question already solved in this miscellaneous exercise, and simple question you can solve in exercise 3.2, 3.1, 3.3. Okay, so this type question always. Okay. If any doubt you can ask to individual and group. You can send also questions. Okay, thank you.